Hello everybody, so this is Tasty Tuesday Tips. So this is another quick idea you can do with oats. Oats are very budget friendly. So I did overnight oats last night. Very quick and easy. I got a little jar. I used oats, almond milk, dairy-free chocolate chips, like a tablespoon of peanut butter, about a fourth cup of the chocolate chips, a drizzle of honey. Now with the overnight oats, you add chia seeds. You can pretty much be very creative with what you want to do with it. But I did oats, milk, chocolate chips, a drizzle of honey, and a tablespoon of peanut butter. That's all. Put it in a jar. I did mix it up, put it in the refrigerator, took it out this morning, and I did warm it. Now, you can eat it cold straight out the jar, but I decided to warm it. It's a cold morning, so why not have a warm cereal? So it was very good because the chocolate did melt a little bit. The chocolate is optional. I use dairy-free chips, but they're very optional. You can use what you want to use. So check out how it looks. I will see y'all.